Hello YouTube. So today I'm here with some new topic. Most of the guys think that we YouTubers earn a lot and we are here posting videos just to make money. So being from basshead or audiophile category, let me explain. Most of the time we have to play the music on our audio systems. So which is basically a music which has copyrights. So we cannot monetize those videos. In fact, in simple language, we don't earn anything from the videos which has copyright issues, which has copyright music played, and we can't make videos without of the music. You won't get any kind of idea how the system sounds, any kind of system let it be. Okay, so more than 50% of my videos are not monetized due to copyright claims, as I have played common and good sounding music for you guys so that you can have idea of the setup. In previous days, YouTube was not so strict regarding the monetization rules. YouTube used to allow us to play most of the music, but now these days, even if we use the NCS songs, and I know you are bored with that NCS music, that is no copyright songs, you can check our YouTube. Even I got some claims from YouTube for that music also. So it is automated system now. YouTube detects some kind of copyrighted music you have added used in your videos. So these days I am using the music source provided by YouTube itself, so that you won't get, if you are YouTuber, you won't get any copyright issues and your videos will be monetized very easily. And don't look at the YouTube as a career. You won't earn, to be honest, you won't earn everything from YouTube. That will be just some amount of I can say pocket money for your whatever kind of hobby you have for YouTube. Only good YouTubers who have millions of views all on all of their videos, they can consider YouTube as a full-time profession. YouTube is not my full-time profession. I just make videos as I keep upgrading setups. I had plenty of home and car audio system till the date. That's why I had hobby or a habit to make videos of those systems. Previously, I had no knowledge of monetizing the videos and how to make money from YouTube. But later on, some days, I made some research and activated the YouTube monetization. But that is not the okay income source, to be honest. You don't expect much from YouTube unless and until you are giving your 100% dedication fully for YouTube videos. Like some guys in India go and sit into car accessories shops all the time 24 by 7. So that is the different case. But most of the Indian guys are good, well qualified, and prefer to do some own business or job and don't waste your life on all this. Okay, so coming to the point, how to monetize your video. Most of the guys, right now I'm uploading some videos of my car audio system and the home audio also. And in car audio I'm playing some kind of music and people are loving it. Okay, so today I'm going to show you what kind of music you should use so that you won't get any kind of monetization claim, sorry, copyright claim from the YouTube. So just go on Google and search this YouTube audio library. Okay, so YouTube will bring you over here. Here I made some filters that my music should have bass, it should be hip hop and rap, and mood should be funky and bright, so that I will get my kind of music. So this kind of music I will show you here. See the license tag. Here YouTube says you are free to use this audio track in your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution required. Okay, that means YouTube is stopping you from using the common music out there, but they are also helping some with providing some kind of music that they want you to use in your videos. Okay, here are some tones I found interesting. To be honest, these are not the best you will find for all of your setups. Some of the SQ setups, like they need FLAC files, the high quality music, those are not here. Most of the music is the common music, which is good for little bass. To be honest, from this music you won't expect the real bass which we get from the real hip hop music or any Indian Punjabi music. This is just a way to run away from the copyright claim. Okay, so let me give you the demo. So this track is New Tires, bright mode. Let me start it from beginning. I'm playing it. So you will find these kind of musics all over here. Let me play something else. So these are not so great music, okay? And the latest one are even more boring. This is pretty good. I use this music for my intro video. that's all. Other options are you can use NCS files, but those are pretty boring, at least to me. Let me play some NCS music also. You can just type NCS. These kind of musics are have too much of mid-highs and less bass. That's why I hate them.
You made a monster.
So my system has way more bass than these songs are capable to show you. Okay. So coming to the point, if you are looking for the low bass or low frequency music, then NCS is not made for you. NCS has some kind of low common EDM trance, but not the lows. For the lows, you need to do some research and find some music on the YouTube audio library, as I showed you before, or you can play some decaf music in short time. Okay, some guys are doing that, so they are playing music for only 10 seconds or lesser, and YouTube is unable to catch them. Okay, you can use that trick too. I mean, you can use normal copyrighted music like any your favorite song, but just make or trip that video and attach it into 10 seconds every different song or every different part of that song. So I have never done that before because I don't find it worth. If you are shooting something, let the viewers enjoy full amount of the music and not just the small parts of it. That's why I never do that. But you can even try that if your system, if you want to show the full potential of your system, then you can use the normal hip hop or decaf music and trim it out into small parts so that YouTube won't be able to catch you. So that's all for now. This was topic of today's video, that how to monetize your videos with some kind of music in it. Basically, I don't like this uh, restrictions of YouTube, but you can see these days any kids are starting to make the videos and trying to be famous on YouTube. Maybe that's why YouTube don't want uh, unwanted crowd or unwanted YouTubers to make any kind of videos. That's why they are trying to filter out their database and have the real content on the YouTube. So that's all. So the ways I have explained is you can use as a NCS music, or the best way is YouTube Studio, or there are even some portals, but you have to cross check that you are way to. There are some portals that are providing free music, and they claim that their music is not having any copyrights, and you can use their music in your YouTube videos, but you have to make sure you like that music, or those videos are not getting copyright claims of some other music. Sometimes YouTube is catching even ANCS songs, as I said before. So you have to make sure that before listing your video on public, make sure YouTube is not catching your video for the copyright claim. That is basically the bug in YouTube automatic copyright claim detector. Anyways, so coming to the point, don't look at the YouTube as full-time profession. This is my message for all the youngster out there. Get graduated and do some job and keep YouTube as your hobby or passion. Okay, don't look at it as full-time career. Yeah, there are few guys who are earning so well from YouTube, but they have good content, they have good knowledge of video editing, they have staff to maintain all their YouTube stuff. Okay, that is another level. But to for the time being, I will recommend you to keep YouTube as your hobby. If you succeed in it and if you found the earnings better than some kind of job or business, then you can stick to it. But I honestly don't want to give you any fake dreams. Okay, so realistically, study well or concentrate well in your job and keep YouTube as your hobby, as I kept it. Okay, thanks for watching. Live loud.